Richard here at Edwin Long Cars. Today I just want to show you this Volvo XC90 that we have just got in. This vehicle is the first of the new models. It is first registered September 2015. This particular model is the Inscription model, so very well equipped. It comes with the LED headlights, the 20-inch alloy wheels. This particular vehicle also has the off-road styling pack, which gets you the wheel arches, extended wheel arches, the upgraded side skirts, etc. Inside we have the full leather interior and heated seats, heated steering wheel, etc. all comes as standard. In the rear we have 3 individual seats that are fully adjustable to recline and adjust backwards and forwards. Also, this vehicle is a 7-seater, so fold down these seats to gain access to another 2 seats in the rear. Finished in a particularly nice colour. It contrasts with the aluminium and the darker trim. In the rear we have a power tailgate. It opens up to see a good size boot, and also those seats that also fold down as well. And just at the press of a button, closes up. And we jump inside this vehicle. A smart start and stop system, so we just start the vehicle. And gives the digital readout. And also the latest touchscreen system, if we satellite navigation, digital radio, climate control, etc. So if you're in the market for a vehicle like this is definitely would recommend a viewing, and you're more than welcome for a test drive. Thanks very much for watching, and remember, further details can be found on our website at www.edwinlongcars.com. Thank you.